Good morning, everyone. Different type of video today. Haven't done one of these in a while. It's another day in the life video where from the morning till the night, I will take you guys with me along and you will see exactly how a normal day, how a real day in a life of a trader looks like. There won't be any fancy stuff. It's literally going to be me following my schedule from A to Z. And now it's 7 a.m. I just woke up and I had a shower, and when I wake up I don't eat the first thing because it's hard for me to eat the first thing in the morning. That's why right after I wake up I go to my desk and I start planning the day. Basically, I'm noting down the tasks for the day, and after I'll note down the tasks, I'll also have a 45-minute more or less backtesting session. And usually because lately I started backtesting quite a lot, not because I want to collect data, but it just helps with the training, so to say. And usually after the backtesting session, that's when I get hungry as well, and that's when I will have my breakfast. Okay, after breakfast at 10:30 a.m. I will have a one-on-one session with one of my members, one of my community members. Marco, if you're watching this video, seeing you in 2 hours and 30 minutes, brother. And after the one-on-one session, I will head to the gym. But to be honest, there's no point for me to tell you about the whole schedule of today because I will take you with me anyways, and you will see exactly how today will go. So yeah, let's get to the desk. Tasks being noted, I finished my backtest as well, and afterwards I also analyzed the markets with my swing strategy to see if there's any swing opportunities. And now I had breakfast as well. And I thought, now that I still have some time until I go on the one-on-one session with Marco, I thought to go over a beautiful A+ setup that I was able to catch yesterday on gold, a trade I took and also sent in my community. I thought, why not, since I still have some time left, to hop on the charts and show you exactly how I was able to identify that setup from A to Z. And yeah, I mean, April has been an amazing month, the best month I had so far this year. I'm super thankful about it, about all the opportunities, about all the good trades that have been playing out when it comes to the day trades and also the swing trades with my swing strategy. Overall, it's been a great month, and I am super happy, super thankful for it. And once again, I am also proud and happy about my performance as a trader, because at the end of the month, I know that I was able to respect my plan to the T, and all the trades that I took were valid A+ setups. Okay, so yeah, I will now hop on the charts and show you exactly the gold trade I was talking about. This was the trade right here. As we can see, it smashed the 3RR target as well. I personally closed everything at 2RR. That's what I usually go for, but I know that some of you guys that are in my community like to aim for the third target, which is the 3RR right here. And as we can see, that one was smashed as well. Here we are, it's the next day, and let me delete everything, okay? And now let me maximize the chart and use the bar replay mode to show you exactly when I opened the chart for the first time, and from A to Z exactly how I was able to identify this setup. So here I was yesterday. That's exactly when I opened the chart for the first time on gold. And the first thing that I did is I marked my liquidity levels. Okay, very simple. On the 1 hour, this was my upper liquidity level, okay? And the lower one was this varied low right here. And as we can see, this one, the varied low, was liquidated, okay? And right from the get-go, I saw that we have a beautiful H1 sweep. Why is it a beautiful H1 sweep? Because this H1 candle went below this very low, but failed to close below it, okay? And that for me is a beautiful H1 sweep, and that's a very good higher time frame confidence. Besides that, on the 4 hour, I was also able to see that price entered a 4 hour fair value gap. And that's exactly why I noted it. I drew a line here and I noted H4 VBG, okay? Another good higher time frame confidence. After that, I went on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I extended the line to have it visible on the 5 minute as well. And then on the 5 minute, I noted that we have a beautiful H1 sweep, okay? And that we have an A+ potential depending on what? Depending on the market structure shift. Because as I always say, no matter how good the higher time frame confidence might look like, if I don't get a aggressive shift on the 5 minute, I'm not taking any setups, okay? So right here, let's play the price and see how it went. Really fast, I want to talk about something here. So many of you guys that are in my community sent me screenshots and asked me why I didn't take this setup here. Okay, basically note this as a shift, this VVG here, and then as we can see, entry would have been on this VVG. Let me show you. Would have been a beautiful snipe. The reason I didn't take this setup like this is because yes, this looks like a beautiful change of character. Like these candles are looking very bullish, the momentum is bullish, everything is looking good. But for me, this right here wasn't a clear structure. This right here wasn't a clear lower high. Okay, and that's why I didn't take it in consideration. Of course, to be honest, both scenarios would have been winners, but I wanted to quickly discuss about why I didn't take this this setup right here, because like I said, this structure right here wasn't clear for me. Okay, I wanted to see a clear lower high, break, entry, and there you go. But right here, this structure wasn't clear for me. That's why I didn't enter the trade there. But if we stay patient, let's see what happens next. And boom, check this out, guys. Okay, so right here, I was able to identify this aggressive shift. Beautiful candle closure above the high. Good looking VVG right here, okay? And we also had a small liquidation on the 5-minute right here before pushing higher and breaking the structure. So this for me was the valid setup, okay? Everything is looking good. Right here, I placed a buy limit right on this VVG, and very important, in this case, I decided to not place the stop loss right below this low as I would normally do. In this case, because I saw this small VVG here that yes, was tapped in, but a small part of it was still unmitigated, I decided to cover this VVG as well, just to be safe, okay? Or to have an extra layer of safety, so to say, because it's not like placing the stop loss like this means that I won't have the stop loss hit, no. It's just like an extra measure of safety in my head. And then the TP was at 2RR, and I also like the fact that the TP wasn't past the opposite liquidity level, because otherwise I wouldn't have taken it. Okay, so this was the setup. I placed it on my accounts, and then of course I also sent it in my community. And on that note, if you guys would like to be part of the community and join the mentoring to be able to work with me one-on-one and get access to all the trades, feel free to click the first link down below and apply for it. Okay, so now let's play the price. And right here is where I got triggered, and we can see that it had a beautiful sniper reaction. And I want to talk about something briefly here. So check this out, guys. We can see that price went into some pretty good profit, and then it went back to the entry price. Right here, I received some messages from some of you that moved the break even and asked me why I didn't move it. For me, the reason I didn't move it is because I really liked this initial volume towards the upside, okay? This looked really bullish to me, looked like bullish momentum. And besides, what I had in mind was this VVG right here, okay? What I had in mind is this VVG right here. And I'm being super honest. If price would have reacted like this to this VVG, I would have moved my stop loss at break even, but it didn't. We can see right here, it pretty much reacted to nothing. Okay, so in my mind, I was like, okay, this is just a pullback to probably mitigate this VVG right here before pushing higher. And that's why I haven't moved my SL to break even yet. Let me show you when I moved it. I moved it right here. Okay, at 8 o'clock my time, this is exactly when I decided to move it, because I was like, okay, if the price impulsively reacts to this VVG and goes to the downside, most likely it will head lower. Okay, so that's why now I decided to move my stop loss at break even. But we can see that price fought that VVG, it won the battle, and after it won the battle, it just went straight to my TP. I mean, not really straight, wait. But right here, okay, right here, it smashed my TP, and yeah, I was able to secure some good profits with this trade on my prop firm account, and yeah, it was a beautiful A+ setup. And also many of the people in my community were able to secure some good profits on this trade as well. I will drop some pictures on the screen now to show you guys what I'm talking about. And yeah, this was the breakdown. If there's any unclarity, feel free to let me know down below in the comments section. Hey, Marco, how's it going, brother? So, just ended my session with Marco. Was a really cool one. He is understanding the swing system better and better. Basically the main strategy of my mentoring program, the one I developed from scratch. And now that the session with him is over, I will eat something sweet real quick, and then we will head off to the gym. Hey, I'm back home, people. The gym session was good. I did the upper body today, mainly chest. I arrived back home, I took a shower, I ate lunch, and now I'm back here at my desk. I'll do some of the tasks that I have noted, nothing too important, and then soon, in less than 2 hours from now, I'll get on the charts and I will start analyzing the markets, because the New York Stock Exchange will open, and that's when I will start looking for setups as well. And yeah, I'll take you guys with me and see what the markets will have to offer today. To be honest, I don't really have big expectations today. Today is Friday, the 25th of April, and we have bank holidays on the euro. It's an Italian bank holiday, and also on the Australian dollar. And also because it's Friday, I expect the volume to be pretty low today, but we shall see what the markets will have to offer soon. So the New York Stock Exchange has opened, and I just did my first analysis for today. And right now I don't really see much, but let me show you exactly what I mean. So real quick, right here we have this GJ chart that I am currently looking at. We can see that the upper liquidity level was taken out, but apart from a beautiful H1 sweep, there's no other potential confluence that we could have here. That's why I'm now waiting on this H1 candle to close. And besides that, I am also looking at gold. At gold, I have this level here on site. I would like to see price take out this major low and then potentially look for some buys. But apart from that, really, these other pairs don't really present anything interesting right now. So yeah, right now this is all I see. And to be honest, I don't really have big expectations for today, because we can see that we have a bank holiday on euro, a Italian bank holiday, and one on the Australian dollar as well. So that, as well as the fact that it's Friday, I don't really have much expectations, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, okay? All right, so just entered the final hour of this trading week and thought to give you all an update. As expected, right now, no opportunities, and to be honest, being the final hour, it's already 6 p.m. my time. At 7 p.m. I'm done trading. And also because it's Friday, I'm not really keen to enter any new setups unless I see something very beautiful. But right now, I have my eyes on US 30. As we can see here, we took out this liquidity level over there, this valid low. And we also reacted from this H1 FVG that is also visible on the H4. So that's a good higher time frame confluence. And on the 5 minute now, we have this liquidation over here as well, another pit stop, so to say. And now price is indeed bullish, okay? But like I said, I would have to see something extremely good looking to be like, okay, I'm taking it, I'm giving it a bit more time to like 8 or 8:30. Like if it triggers till 7 p.m., then I will let it run till around 8 or 8:30 before closing it, okay? Because I never hold trades over the weekend. And besides US 30, Euro USD is also looking pretty decent. First of all, on the hourly, we can see that we took out this very high over here, this liquidity level, and we also have a beautiful H1 sweep, okay? We took out this high, but we failed to close above it, which is exactly what we wanted. And we also reacted to this H1 FVG beautifully, okay? But once again, on the 5 minute, yes, the volume seems to be pretty good. The momentum seems to be bearish, but again, the structure here isn't helping, okay? So on Euro USD, right now, for me to potentially take a setup, I would have to wait for a new leg to form and then a BOS and then a potential entry, and that would take too much time. And yeah, in around 47 minutes, I'll be done trading and I will stop looking for setups. So yeah, that's the update for now. I'll get back to you soon, guys. Most likely after the session will end, or of course before, if I will have an A+ setup to take. It's 7 p.m. my time, 5 p.m. UK time, hence why I am now done trading for this week. And funny thing is that literally now, as I am done trading, US 30 would have offered an A+ potential, okay? I mean, it depends on how this candle will close, because I would like to see a full body closure above this high. But yeah, either way, I'm done trading. I wouldn't take this setup here because it's 4 minutes past 7. I'm done trading for the week. It's Friday. I'm respecting my plan, no matter how good a setup will look. If it's 7 o'clock and I'm in no trades, I'm done trading. Okay, I'm super strict with my rules, guys. You already know it. And on your USD, price just went higher. Okay, price went higher, liquidated this high on the 5 minute as well. Theoretically, your USD wouldn't offer anything valid anyways. But yeah, it was pretty funny to see that US30 decided to actually give a setup right at the end of the session. So yeah, ending the week here, no trades for today. I will now send the performance in the community as well, and then I will get back to you guys. I'm back. Just ended the week in my community, sent the statistic, and also sent a video update. And short recap on how today went. It was a good day. I'm really happy about how today went. I was able to respect my schedule and to complete all of the tasks I had noted. And in terms of trading, I took no trades today, but still I'm super happy and thankful about the run we had this month so far. Today is the 25th of April. The month is almost coming to an end. I dropped the statistic in the group as well. We are at 9 wins this month. All of the wins, bear in mind, are at 2RR. That's my personal performance. 3 losses and 2 break evens. Okay, so the win rate this month has been something else. I'm super thankful once again for it, and super happy and proud in the same time that I was able to respect my plan, because now I look back and I journal. That's what I do. I always, at the end of the week, I journal and look back to see if all of the trades were A+, were truly according to the plan. And before filming this part now, I journaled this week to see if all of the trades were indeed A+, and yes, they were. So once again, I'm super happy about this as well. I know many of you guys are happy about it as well. I've seen so many good results this month. People getting funded, people getting payouts, people growing personal accounts. It's been a great run, and to be honest, I think it might be the best month I ever had so far. Yeah. And regarding how a normal day in my life looks like, guys, this is literally it. Okay, this is literally it. It's 8 p.m. now. I still have some messages to get back to, and after that I should be done for today. So yeah, that's how a normal day looks like. No fancy stuff, no restaurants in the middle of the day. Don't get me wrong, I do like going out at restaurants every now and then, or to the cinema, or doing something. Basically, I don't sit at my home 24/7, but I'm the type of person that likes to be in his bubble, so to say. When I'm working, I like to be either at my desk or in the gym during the day, and then at night after 8 p.m. when I am usually done for the day, that's when I like to do these other things, like going out to the restaurant, linking up with friends, going out to the cinema. But yeah, that's literally how a normal day in my life looks like. Funny thing is that now I will link up with some friends very soon, and we're all going to eat some McDonald's, because we all crave for it in a certain way. Personally, I haven't eaten McDonald's in like 2 months or so, and yeah, it's like a small prize for the end of this week, for being able to basically complete all of the tasks and respect my plan to the T. So yeah, that being said, guys, let me know if you enjoy these type of videos, because I will definitely do more if you guys enjoy them. Until the next one, if you guys want to see me take on a 200k prop firm challenge, make sure to watch this video right here. And that being said, I want to wish you all the best and take care.